Hi everyone, I'm Viri and thanks for joining us for our customized close-up for FabFitFun post-winter editors box. And today we're gonna dive into some amazing products that our FabFitFun members can go ahead and choose. And in case you're wondering what's a FabFitFun editors box, it is the perfect introduction for you to join us as a FabFitFun member, and we select the best of the best for every single one of our editors boxes. And what's really exciting about this box is we included the most amount of items that are super hot right now in the beauty industry for you to go ahead and give them a try. And if you're not a FabFitFun member yet, this is a great opportunity for you to sign up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Before we get started, this amazing category is only for select members. So if you're not a select member yet, this is a great opportunity to upgrade now. First up, we have our Céla Crème de la Crème body lotion. What's amazing about this lotion, it's super hydrating. You can wear it all over your body. It smells amazing and it's travel friendly. It's only 2.5 ounces, so it's TSA approved, and it's super amazing with the large amount of Canadian botanicals that it comes with. And I just love the packaging. It's super practical and I just can't get enough of this lotion. It's so nice. Super hydrating, love it. This is definitely a must-have, so go ahead and select this goodie. And the next product is the VictoriaLand Beauty Eye and Lip Cream. This amazing, super cute hot pink tube is all you need for underneath your eyes as well as your lips. It will take care of all of your concerns that include fine lines and wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan. And what I love about this product is the consistency is just super hydrating, and a little bit goes a long way. So all you need is a little bit of a pea size, and this is enough for your eyes and your lips. My favorite thing to do is always use your ring finger when you apply this amazing eye treatment, and you can even do it on top of your concealer, how I'm about to do right now. You go tap, 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 and the rest you can go ahead and apply on your lip area, and voila, you're nice and hydrated. And our third product coming up is our Free People Understated Leather Starry Eye Under Eye. And our third product is Free People Understated Leather Starry Eye Travel Eye Mask. And this amazing mask is so soft, it's vegan, and look at this beautiful design up in the front. It's just super detailed, gorgeous, and the feel is super, super comfy. You are not gonna wanna take this off even when it's time to wake up. It's nice and flexible, and it's also adjustable. Not a lot of masks have this feature, and it's really nice because you can go ahead and make it tighter if you're gonna be in an airplane, make sure that it stays nice and tight, or make it a little bit more loose if you're gonna go ahead and take a nap or go to bed for the day. Another beauty tip about this product, it has this amazing soft gel inside, and if you remove this gel and pop it in your refrigerator maybe a couple of minutes or up to an hour before you're gonna go ahead and use your mask, pop it back in and slap it on, and you're ready for your night-night. And by putting this gel mask in the fridge, it's actually gonna help with your puffiness around your eye area, which is an amazing cooling sensation when you put it on before you go to sleep. Next up, we have this amazing Skinvolve Body Boost Gel. This is one of my favorite products. I cannot go to the gym without this. Always make sure you have this in your gym bag. A little bit goes a long way when you have your trouble areas, tummy, legs, arms, wherever you might have any concerns. Some other features and benefits about this amazing product: it has green tea, it has a menthol, so it's actually gonna feel very cooling. It's gonna prepare your skin and hydrate it before your workout. And what's great about it is that it's also paraben-free and sulfate-free. It's going to be your new best friend. And our last product for today is our Stone Street Soaphouse Hey Ho Body Cream. It has chamomile, lavender, and celery extracts. And celery is such a hot ingredient right now in the beauty industry, so this is a must-have for you to slap on after your daily routine. And it's super hydrating, and it's also paraben-free. And I just love how amazing this smells. I can smell the celery, the chamomile. Another great thing about this product, it is silicone-free. So it's definitely going to penetrate all the way down to all the necessary areas to make sure that your skin is nice and hydrated. This is definitely a must-have for this winter season. And that's a wrap for this customization category. So make sure you leave your comments down below. Let me know what you select, your favorites. All of these are must-haves. And don't forget to sign up for what? And make sure to sign up to be a FabFitFun member so you can get this amazing winter editor's box. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next season. Bye.